Hello everyone and welcome to week 8 of our English 110 oral communications class. Congratulations on getting your first speech done. I'm very excited to watch them this week and give you some feedback on those. It was an informative speech and we're moving to the next assignment, which is a bit of a debate. I'm going to put it in quotes because we're not actually going to be debating one another. We're just going to be presenting some sources and practicing finding sources and using them in speeches. For this debate, I've posted 5 different debate topics and debates on those topics. So if you look at the Module 3 page, which is where we're at, you're going to see 5 different debate topics here. Electric cars, whether or not we should move towards a completely electric vehicle fleet, the benefits of that, and also some of the problems with that. Whether or not college athletes should be paid. The idea that video games will make us smarter. Hunters, and whether or not hunters help or hinder wildlife. And finally, a real interesting one for me, should college students be allowed to take smart drugs, drugs that affect their mental abilities. So I have 5 of them posted. Now these are actual debates. They're about an hour long each. And I would advise that you watch the one that you're most interested in and the one that you're going to be doing the research on. You get to choose one of these 5 topics to research. So I think it's a good idea to take a look at these. And this will give you a sense of what the different sides are in the debate. Once you've watched the debate and thought about it, for this week you're going to be doing research. The only assignment, you have a couple assignments this week. One, looking at a chapter about audience and audience analysis, and then also posting a discussion where you've found 3 research sources using SMCC websites. For those sources and those databases, I have a number of resources here for you to take a look at. And in particular, I think EBSCOhost is going to be the one that you're going to be using the most. It's accessible through the Learning Commons part of the website at MySMCC, and I'll show you how to get there in a minute. But this is a good place to spend a little time this week too and look at the different ways you can find information and sources. For the discussion assignment, you're going to be posting 3 sources. You can choose any of these topics, and you can choose any side of these topics. So for example, if you were going to do the electric car debate, maybe you want to find sources that support the idea of going with a completely electric vehicle fleet in our country and the benefits of that. Maybe you want to do the other side and argue against the viability of electric cars, and why our fleet shouldn't be moved towards that technology. So you can choose any of these and you can choose either side, but really this week you're just going to be posting a bunch of sources. Next week we'll have a short speech assignment where you'll be summarizing some of these sources for us. But for now, you're just doing the research this week, and you're reading the chapter on audience analysis. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. Again, congratulations on getting your first speech done, and enjoy learning about one of these 5 topics for this week.